On a surface, minimalism is about owning less possessions, about owning less stuff. But when you start to consider it, it's actually more than that. I define minimalism as an intentional promotion of the things we value most by removing anything that distracts us from it. See, in this way, minimalism is about intentionality. We live in a world where we see 5,000 advertisements every single day, and every single advertisement calls for attention. And minimalism is about rejecting those messages and taking control of our lives. And it's all about being intentional with our time, with our money, and our energy. I also consider it countercultural because the thing is that our society praises excess and overconsumption at every turn. And minimalism is about rejecting that idea and recognizing that excess actually carries with it a burden. And it's all about passion and purpose. This is minimalism, my friends. It's more than about owning less. It's about taking back control over our lives. It's about rediscovering or finding a greater purpose and a greater passion and discovering a greater life than we ever thought imaginable.